Kung kayo naghahanap ng isang makapangyarihang tool na makakatulong sa inyong mga proyekto sa mekanika, karpenterya, o anumang gawaing pangbahay, ito ay ang Worksite 20 volts brushless cordless impact wrench na wala ng iba. Ito ay isang mahusay na kasangkapan na magpapadali ng inyong mga gawain at magpapabilis ng inyong trabaho.
Golden Dragon Industrial Machinery.
Specifications: voltage is 20 volts DC. Max torque is 250 Newton meter or 2,200 in LPS. Reversible electric brake. Chuck is 13 mm or 1/2 inch. Package content: 1 piece 20 volts wrench, 1 piece charger, 1 piece 20 volts Li-ion rechargeable battery, 1 piece tool bag, 1 piece hook, 4 pieces socket. In the function description, we have 1 to 9. 1 is 13 mm square socket drive, 2 is metal gear housing, 3 is direction button, forward, stop, reverse, 4 is variable speed trigger switch, 5 is rubber handle, 6 is battery release button, 7 is battery pack, 8 is LED light, and 9 is charger. To install or remove battery pack: to install is push and slide battery pack into battery port, and to remove, press the battery release latch and pull the battery pack out at the same time. How to charge a battery pack? You have a green light, power indicator, red light, charging indicator. How do you know if the battery is fully charged? Normal charging time. Normal charging time is 1.5 to 2 hours when the battery is completely dead. Install socket. Choose a 13 mm drive socket of the correct size and mount it on this drive shaft. Rotation direction: your tool is with a 3-position switch, forward, reverse, and self-lock. LED working light. The impact driver has 3 LED lights to illuminate the work area and improve vision when working in areas with insufficient light. Abang-abang sa susunod na video. Please don't forget to like our Facebook page and follow our TikTok account. Thank you.
Golden Dragon Industrial Machinery. Golden Dragon Industrial Machinery.